How to delete Bitmoji on a Snapchat? Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards the Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. And currently you can simply see your Bitmoji on a Snapchat. To delete it, you need to simply access the settings. For that, tap gear icon at top right corner. Now you have to choose the Bitmoji option. Here you will get the options like change your outfit, edit the Bitmoji, choose a selfie, or simply unlink the Bitmoji. To delete Bitmoji on a Snapchat, tap unlink my Bitmoji option. Now you can tap remove button to remove your Bitmoji successfully and permanently. But for now, I don't want to do that. So if you wish, you can easily select the remove button to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.